Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to easily use an auto-commenting tool that responds to people's input on your fan page promotional posts. Here's the interface of the software. First, go to the viral marketing section, then click on Seeding Post. First, we will configure the settings for the software. At this step, simply paste the ID of the post you want the software to interact with and comment on. Now let's go to Facebook and look for a promotional post that you want to use. Just copy the link of the post and convert it into a post ID. At this step, select the Post ID option. This works for both personal profiles and fan pages. Next, you can choose to like or love the post. After that, scroll down and select the comment section. At this point, just type in the comments you want to use. For example, if I want to leave these comments, I just enter them right here. Next, choose the Facebook accounts you want to use for interacting. I recommend using multiple accounts. The more accounts you use, the better the results will be. As you can see on the screen, the software automatically logs into the Facebook accounts and begins interacting with your posts. On the screen, you can see the accounts leaving comments on the promotional post, and they've also liked it. If you're interested in a tool like this, just send me a message on WhatsApp or Telegram.